Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Fortnite unable to connect to servers using simple and effective steps. First, check if Fortnite servers are online by visiting the official status page, because maintenance can block connections. Next, restart your internet router and wait a few seconds before turning it back on to refresh your network. After that, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection if possible for more stable gameplay. Then restart your device completely, whether you're on PC, PS4, PS5, or Xbox, to clear temporary connection issues. You should also disable any VPN or proxy services, since they can block server access. On PC, make sure your firewall or antivirus is not blocking Fortnite or the Epic Games launcher. After that, try changing your DNS settings to a more stable option, like Google DNS. Finally, restart the game and log in again. These steps should fix connection problems and get you back into Fortnite. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.